Many people don't realize how simple it can be to transform their passion into a profitable business. Have you ever imagined turning your passion into a successful business? That activity you're passionate about, the one you can spend hours on without noticing the time. It's absolutely achievable. In this video, we'll explore the steps to turn your passion into a profitable venture. Get ready to awaken the entrepreneur within you and create a life and business that you'll love. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on our upcoming tips and tricks. Everyone is searching for that one thing that makes them feel truly alive. The first step, and not the least, is to clearly identify what excites you. Take a moment to think about what truly brings you joy and excitement. Consider the activities that make you lose track of time, the ones that give you a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction. What are you genuinely passionate about? Is it something creative like painting or music? Or perhaps something more technical like programming or engineering? Maybe you love helping others and find joy in volunteering or community work. What do you love doing so much that you would do it even for free? It's often in these moments of pure passion that we find our true calling. Think about the activities that make you feel alive and fulfilled. Once you've identified this passion, it's time to see if there's a market for it. This means you need to do some research to understand if other people share your interest and are willing to invest in what you have to offer. Who needs what you're offering? Identify your target audience. Who are these people? What are their needs and desires? How can your passion meet their expectations? Are they willing to pay for it? This is a crucial question. You need to assess the demand and people's willingness to spend money on your product or service. This may involve conducting surveys, participating in focus groups, or analyzing market trends. Remember, just because you're passionate about something doesn't necessarily mean there's a viable market for it. Sometimes our passions can be too specific or niche to attract a large audience. But that doesn't mean you have to give up. There may be ways to pivot or adapt your passion so that it better meets market needs. But don't worry, we'll explore this in more detail in a moment. We'll look at how you can refine your idea, identify market opportunities, and create a solid strategy to turn your passion into a thriving business. Stay with us to discover the exciting next steps in this entrepreneurial journey. You need to hear this if you're an entrepreneur. Okay, now that you know your passion and you know there's a market for it, it's time to set yourself apart. What makes your approach unique? What's your special something, what no one else can offer? Think about the problems you're solving, the unique benefits you offer, and the specific needs you meet. That's how you differentiate yourself and become irresistible to your ideal customers. Listen up if you're an aspiring entrepreneur. You have a clear vision for your business. Now, it's time to create a roadmap for success. This is where a business plan comes in. It may sound intimidating, but trust me, it doesn't have to be complicated. Think of it as a living document outlining your goals, strategies, and steps to take. It's your guide to turning your passion into a profitable reality. Chapter 5. If you don't like blending in but still want to stand out, then build a personal brand. In today's digital world, building a strong personal brand is paramount. It's not just about having an online presence, but about creating an identity that resonates with your target audience. It's about showcasing your expertise, sharing your story, and showing your professional journey. By telling your story, you allow your audience to understand you better and identify with you, and create a deep connection with your audience. This connection is essential because it transforms ordinary viewers into true brand ambassadors. Engage with them, answer their questions, and show that you care about their needs. Remember, people connect with people. They want to see the human behind the brand. Share moments from your daily life, personal anecdotes, and experiences that have shaped you. They want to know who they are dealing with. Transparency and authenticity are key elements in building a trusting relationship. Don't be afraid to show your vulnerabilities and failures, as they are part of your journey. So let your personality shine through. Share your story, your values, and what makes you unique. Your uniqueness is your greatest asset in a world saturated with information and competitors. Highlight your specific skills, your passions, and what motivates you every day. This will help your audience connect with you on a more personal level. This is how you build trust. Trust is the cornerstone of any lasting relationship, whether personal or professional. By being consistent and reliable, you show your audience that they can count on you and attract loyal customers who resonate with you. These loyal customers will become your best promoters, sharing their positive experience with others and helping to expand your network and influence. Chapter 6. Different sources of income. You need to hear this if you're an entrepreneur. There are many ways to monetize your passion. You can sell physical products, offer online training or coaching, create downloadable digital products, or even organize workshops or paid events. The possibilities are endless. The key is to choose income sources that match your strengths, the needs of your audience, and your overall business goals. Why don't more people discuss the importance of testing and improving your offer? Chapter 8. Create a community and retain your customers. If you're a business owner, then you need to build a community of enthusiastic fans who love what you do. Interact with your audience on social media, respond to comments, ask questions, and create a space where people feel seen, heard, and valued. Remember that people do business with people they know, like, and trust. So nurture those relationships and watch your business thrive. I will never look at passion the same way after learning this. Conclusion. You are ready to live from your passion. You've worked hard, you've invested time and energy, and now you're ready to take that crucial step. It's an exciting time, filled with endless possibilities. Turning your passion into a profitable business is a journey that takes time, patience, and perseverance. It's not an easy road, but every challenge overcome brings you closer to your goal. Working late into the night, carefully planning every detail, it's all part of the process. But with the right strategies in place, it's entirely achievable. By following these steps, from in-depth market analysis, where you identify the needs and desires of your target audience, to crafting effective marketing strategies, you can turn your passion into a thriving business, to creating a loyal community that supports and believes in your vision. An engaged community is essential for long-term success. It not only provides you with moral support, but also valuable feedback that can guide your business to new heights. You'll be well on your way to making a living doing what you love. Imagine yourself every day, working on something you're truly passionate about, in a creative space that sparks your imagination and productivity. This is the dream of every passionate entrepreneur. So, what's your passion, and how do you plan to turn it into a thriving business? Take a moment to reflect on your ideas, write them down, and start developing a plan. Every great business starts with an idea, followed by determined action. Leave your ideas in the comments. Share your dreams and aspirations with us. We can't wait to see what you create. Your journey may inspire others to follow their own passions. Subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content and leave a comment below. Stay connected with us for tips, inspiring stories, and practical advice to help you navigate the world of entrepreneurship. Together, we can turn our passions into lasting successes.